Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to download LinkedIn app on your device. LinkedIn is an app that helps you find business and news about businesses. The first thing we're going to do in order to download LinkedIn app on our device is to tap open Play Store app. Once you open your Play Store app, you'll be directed on this home page. On the home page on the top, you'll be able to see a search bar. Tap on it. Once you tap on the search bar, here you'll have to type in LinkedIn. Once you have searched for LinkedIn, you'll be able to see the application on the top option. Tap on it. And once you tap on it, here you'll be able to see your option install. Once again, tap on the install button. And now you'll have to wait for some time for your application to be installed. And just like that, here as you can see, you have successfully installed your LinkedIn app on your mobile device. You can go back and check it on your app screen. And here as you can see, the app has been downloaded. That was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to download LinkedIn app on your device. Thank you for staying to the very end of this video. I hope you found our video helpful. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.